Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. Man, it feels like forever since I've done one of these. If you're familiar with the channel, my name is Moose. On this channel I do knives, reviews on knives, gear, food, and tech for outdoors, EDC, and travel. And backpacking, camping, all that fun stuff. So if you like any of that stuff, consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you think. And hit that bell notification for newer videos when they come along. That being said, if you're also familiar with the channel, you can see where the camera angle's at today. Bringing it back, but this is how I do it: quick, fast, and easy for unboxings, because I can't be patient enough to do some fancy setup. I just want to open this thing and get it open. So anyways, hope all is well. Yeah, let's get into it. So today we got a package. This one is from the Knife Center. It's kind of big. I have kind of cut back on ordering some knives lately just because I have stuff to review and I don't need more stuff around. So too much stuff. But that being said, today I will be opening this package with this awesome Becker Plus Urban Trapper, designed by Brad Zinker, and love this knife. This is the cutleryshop.com exclusive. So if they still have some in stock, I definitely recommend picking one up. Other than that, there's tons of other Urban Trapper variations out there that you guys can check out, and I'll leave links in the description below. So moving on, this package is from Knife Center. I will also leave links to Knife Center down below. And this is something I ordered. So let's crack this bad boy open. So cutting it. So this will be a first impressions. I do know what I ordered this time around. I ordered it just last week, and it's a knife I'm really looking forward to, because, yeah, I'll tell you about it once I get it out, if I can get it out. Let's see here. There we go. Alright guys, remember, always close your knives when you're not using them, and check that in the upper right hand corner for the video links. Pulling it out. Oh, not the packaging I was expecting, but nonetheless, I'm liking the way they're going with this here. Paperwork, whatever. So here it is, guys. This is a K-bar knife. It is the Becker K-bar, or K-bar Becker. What is it? BK40. The BK40. Boom. Becker folder. So I guess we'll go over some specs real quick. AUS 8 steel, stainless steel, GFN handles. Yeah, gosh. Oh man, that looks sweet. This looks super sweet. It's a little bigger than I thought initially. Just cause, I don't know. It's based off a bigger knife. I'll ruin the packaging there. Oh yes. Oh. So the guy on the Knife Center videos, he just recently did a couple things with this knife specifically, and he was talking about how good it feels in hand, and he's not lying. And this thing just feels awesome. God, this thing feels like a beast. Oh my goodness. So this is the BK40. It's the first folder that I'm aware of that Ethan Becker has designed, and it's based off one of his more popular Woodsman folder or fixed blades, at least the handle, and that is one of my favorite fixed blades, one of my longest knives, and that is the BK16. So you can just take a quick look here. Boom, you can see how the handle shape is very similar. Yeah, super cool knife. So all right, yeah, but I'll do a video. Like, I still need to do a video of this, even though this is like one of my oldest knives. So this is kind of our first impressions unboxing. I will do a video hopefully in the next week of this guy, and then after that follow up with this, and then maybe do a comparison video. But let's just look at this bad boy. Just awesome. I forgot what it was like to have a big knife, but this thing just feels, oh gosh, it feels like a workhorse. Like, holding a knife like this, you just feel like, okay, I got a good woods knife like this. Gosh, that's amazing. That is really cool. So, folds open. Obviously, I need to break it in a little bit, but the fit in hand, this handle's just awesome. Got some swells. We're gonna switch the clip to tip up, right side carry. Got a nice long lanyard slot. Jimping on the blade. Yeah, super cool. All right, so there you have it, guys. This is the BK 40 K-bar and Becker knives collab. Yeah, made by Ethan Becker, designed by Ethan Becker, and right now, newsflash, I say if you're looking for a $40 big blade workhorse of a knife, you might want to consider this. I like it. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you get it. You might think it's a little too big, but it feels substantially awesome. So there you have it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, check out the links in below. I'll leave links to Knife Center, where I got it, and some of their videos on it. And yeah, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Leave any comments or thoughts down below if you're gonna pick one of these bad boys up, or if you see something you don't like already. Other than that, peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.